Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all those dreams of yours come true? What could I do today to help you live your life on a higher level? If you and me can work together and get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 to book your free 30-minute call, or go over to ldlcall.com where the calendar is waiting for you. Let's talk soon. But first, here is your quote for today. What holds you back is not what you are, it's what you think you aren't. Everything is just in your head. Doubts, fears, nerves, and a lack of self-confidence. Anything and everything is possible if you believe it. And that is a massive yes. You're incredible, and maybe you don't hear that enough, but you can do this. It's just the voice in your head that you have to stop listening to. Ignore all those voices, and then your journey will start to begin.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.